So I ordered this PE6502 kit from America, and it comes with absolutely everything. The kit is really easy to understand. There are a few little bits that aren't answered in the documentation, and it would be nice if some of the resistors were actually labelled. So you get a pack of resistors, but unfortunately there's no numbers on them, so you have to measure each one and figure out what's going on. So the idea is, hopefully, once you built everything, these are just waiting to be soldered. At the moment they are just loose, so these are all going to be soldered in. We should be able to output to a TV on a standard output cable. We've got a PS2 also for the keyboard, and that'll give us some input, and we should be able to run a few apps. It's got assembly, 2 versions of BASIC built in, and a few other little bits. So basically what I'm going to do is keep this video going, and we'll chop and change between progress, but at the moment I've installed some of the components. This is the 5-volt connection with a few parts, a resistor to drop the voltage, power LED, and that's all working at the moment. This side is our 3.3 volts, which needs soldering in, and that's going to happen in a few minutes, and then we'll see where we're up to. So if you want to do your own little real retro computer, going right the way back to where it began, 6502, go for it, order it. And this is from Putnam Electronics, which is putnamelectronics.com, and the kit costs about $100 and something, but is a very good kit. Here we go, putnamelectronics.com. Here's our board ready for soldering. I don't know how many points there are, but there's a lot of points there to solder, so we're going to get a crack on, see if we can get that done tonight.